I was so nervous that he was gonna go first. Look at that heat. Did you see it? Oh, I'm glad I went over here.
Continue on Highway 97.
There's now normal road. It's all just nasty gravel, washboard. We've gone from 80 kilometers an hour to 13 kilometers an hour. Okay, looks like we can finally see road up ahead. All these track vehicles just tore up everything in this area. Look at all that washboard. Everything here is washboard from all these caterpillars. But there's finally road up ahead. We can do more than 17 kilometers an hour. The river. See the water? The sign said to watch out for bison, especially at dusk and at night.
This looks like the place I was thinking, next to the river. That has a trail down to the water. We stopped off at a rest area. I think this one has a hiking trail down to the river. So hopefully there's our rig. Weather, oh, it's so nice out right now. I don't need a jacket, it's just beautiful. It's monarch season, I guess. It's flying all over. Oh, look at them all.
I don't know if you can see them on the film, but there are butterflies everywhere. I think they're monarch butterflies. Bailey just ran through and a bunch of them just took off.
This is a very bumpy road. Maybe the river's not even close to us.
According to Google Maps, we're at the river's edge right now.
Oh,
We're in the river.
interesting. I wonder if people actually drive their RVs back here to camp. This is perfect for
I
boondocking.
guess if you have a truck camper or an off-road Black Series or something.
This is boondocking area because you got different fire pits. For those of you looking for boondocking, this might be a perfect spot. I'm not really sure where we're at. I'll try and find it. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh,
Power supply by your chair fell.
wow.
Probably when the router fell, it took it with it.
After this stop, we only have one more stop in Canada. Well, British Columbia. Going to the Yukon.
Looked like a sign for fat motorcyclists. Didn't it? With these little waves coming off the end.
Right. Do you see anything? Wildlife along the river?
Being from California, we've never seen so much green before. We didn't even know these colors existed. We just thought all plants were brown.
Now that's from Los Angeles. There's parts of California that is so green. This has been by far one of the best drives. Just regardless of all the heaves and the nasty dirt, this is incredible. Traffic.
There's one of those things.
Oh, really?
Yeah, over here.
Okay.
sheep.
We're on the Alcan Highway. We have another half hour to get to our destination, and we saw a sheep. I don't know what they're called, but the milepost book said to look for them, and we just saw one. So this is very exciting. There's the RV. we're walking to see if we can get a better shot of him. He's moving out there. I don't think he likes us coming at him. Bear.
Wow.
Yeah, you're right, it was a little bear. I think when we open up cabinets, refrigerators, everything, we're gonna have to be cautious.
Yeah. Slippery when frozen.
So I want to say this is maybe only one person on it at a time based on that one sign. But you didn't see it.
In 1 kilometer, turn left on Alaska Highway. Turn left onto the unpaved road. Turn left at Callison Road.
Right here?
Arriving at Toad River Lodge Limited.
Something a little right. That's good. Perfect. Now straight down. Okay, you're in.
So we're out taking a walk here at Toad's River, and Neil just happened to see some movement across the river. So we're heading over. It looks like they're moose, possibly, in the water. So we're trying to get over there so we can see them.
It might be moose.
There's two moose out there, which are not moving.
So we got horsies over here. We got moosies over here. And there's something up here too. I think that's another moose.
Isn't this just gorgeous? This is stunning. I'm loving this. It's so short. Get out and explore.
I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's a million dragonflies flying around everywhere here.